How are you doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this rose hair ruffle. So here are the items we're going to be making use of: your measurement tape, you need your zigzag scissors, your straight scissors, your pulleys or scuba. This is foam pulley, or you can call it scuba, which is elastic at one part. Then you have your elastic band. That's the one that is like a rope. You can make use of the thinner one, so they come in different sizes. Then you have your uhu gum. Then you have your stamen. They come in different colors. Then you have this round circle patch that I've cut out. Then of course you'll be needing your needle and thread. It is a sewing work. Then this already has been made from the poly. I've made it already with 2 inches and 72 inches, so it's 2 by 72. 72, that's a yard. Okay, so what this already, if I already have a video for it, so if you want to know how to make it, you join us in the Bent Craft Academy reception. You click it, the link is below this video in the description, so you click on it and you make a request for it. And the wonderful thing about it is that there are 6 brooches there to learn. So with all those, you can make different kinds of hair ruffles. Especially this season is a good time to make such. People can use it as gifts, and they can use it on their hair during the occasions, going out and all that. Alright, so let's get back. So the next thing we need to do is cut 7 inches of our elastic band, and now we're going to sew it to the rose that we have made. Now the rose, after you make it, you're going to cover the back with a round piece of that same material. So what I'm doing now is that I'm sewing it, but if you notice, I first of all passed it through the elastic band itself before I start sewing like this. This to ensure that the elastic band does not pull out no matter how it is dragged. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so this round patch, I actually cut it out from a bridal satin. I cut the circle shape that would fit that place, and of course you have to bond the edges so that it doesn't frill. After you've done that, you need to cut it. There's a trick to ensure that it doesn't pull off when someone is dragging the elastic band to cover their head, and that's you cut it at the 2 sides so that it can pass through the elastic band instead of on top of it. Do you understand? So that's what you do. And then you use your uhu gum and cover it up. Then the next thing is to attach our stamen. So what you do is you take the number of stamen you want depending on how full you want it to be. I just wanted mine scanty. And then I'm going to use the fishing line. I didn't show you that, sorry, but that's what I made use of. And I'm going to tie it close to the down, not extremely down. I'm going to leave some little part because I want to fold that part up, so I'll have some long stamen showing and the short one. So after I'm done, I use my uhu gum and I place it in the middle of the rows. Then just to add good measure press down to ensure it doesn't come out, I'm going to use that fishing line to also sew it in. Now watch how I sew it. And that's how you make this lovely rose hair ruffle. Now if you gained value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I think it's expedient to click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And before you leave, check out this next video.